and welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see by the title, today we'll be doing a reaction video, which is a first on my channel. Like, I've never reacted to anything yet, and I always saw reaction videos on YouTube, and I always wanted to do one, but like, what am I gonna react to? Like, it just never worked out. So I really wasn't feeling it, but I was like, girl, just get over yourself and do the video. So I am today, and I'll be reacting to my first YouTube vlog. So my first actual video was posted about a year ago, and it was a sit-down Q&A. So there's nothing much to react to with that one, other than the fact that I was so nervous on camera. But I decided to review my first ever vlog, and I mean, the channel is full of vlogs now. Like, that's what I'm known for mainly. Like, my vlogs get so many views, so many interactions, so I think vlogs are really a thing over here. So I said, okay, let me just react to my first vlog. Okay guys, so I have my laptop up here, and the first vlog says it's a lit girl trip in Ocho, Rios, Jamaica. Like, listen, if you know us, we're always in Ocho. Listen, like, these girl trips have become, like, I don't know, something of a tradition now on the channel, where we just get together, hit the road, and just have a jolly time. So this was actually a year ago, and let's play the video. Let's see what girl was up to at that time. Like, share, and subscribe. That's intro. We out here. Birthday girl. Alright, quick pause guys. Like, if you see this video how it started, it was just off the bat vibes. Like, we never wasted time. I don't think there was an intro. I just said we out here, and that was about it. And as you can see, the cinematics of this video, like, that was me. I just always love like the slow-mos and, you know, those cool effects. So I decided to incorporate some of that in this video, and I think it started off pretty cool. Like, let me know what you think. For my first ever vlog, like, people are in frame. The quality may not have been the best because I was probably using my front camera here, but the vlog starts off now. It starts off good, man. Hey, pause. Why would the on the roadside that changed? What we had to see? Look like we have fixed our pin under, but like, why were we just on the roadside like that? Like, we don't even do that anymore. Back in the day, we like stop to take pics, like, for all the cinematic things and the views, but we don't do that anymore. It's not safe, one. Yeah, it's just not safe. I mean, the pics are always cool, but it's just not safe. But listen, we have Batia Road, Patrice. What were we doing? What were we doing, girl? But Z, look like she have funny. And I was just recording everything, guys. I was recording every damn thing. Moving on. That's Jen. So this was when the Junebug challenge was a thing. So much fun, just a chill vibe, and that's what it should be, guys. Beer vibes, beer fun. Video everything, the video bush, car, everything. Here we are at our favorite place. Come on, I'm gonna go out. Pause. So as you can see, we're all decked out in our white shirts, or customized white shirts, because I think this was Patrice's birthday, and we just all had some cute teas. Big up Steph, you know, Steph is like the mom of the group, so she's always coordinating things. So I think this was her idea, and then we all got the shirts, and we just look so uniform and cute. Like, Girl nice, girl out on the road. Like, we had to stop at KFC. Like, this is a given. Everybody knows that road trips are without KFC. So we stopped at KFC for some food, and let's see what we got up to in the people in the establishment, because chances are, well, we're up to something. All the time we're up to something. So let's see. Prices never so high. We could actually afford chicken at that time. Let me tell you, what did I tell you? We had to get up to something in the people in establishment. Them could run out. What's that?
Hello.
So we're at Marley Beach today. This is Trudy. Say hi, Trudy.
Hi.
So we're just here to enjoy ourselves today and just have a chill Sunday. Face. Like, why do I look like that? I look fat. Trudy, why do I look like that? I was in braids. Like, if you know me, braids are like my go-to hairstyle, guys. So I was in braids here. I do my eyebrows. I look at eyeliner. I look at something on my lip. Probably minimal makeup on them something there, because I mean we're going to the beach. I just look so young. Like, I look nothing like that now. Like, am I tripping? I don't know. But moving on. Camera like a paparazzi. I can't manage, you know. I don't could run me. So this was Marley Beach, guys. It was so beautiful. And with the June bug challenge. The video I'm hungry. I want some KFC right now. Answers them out. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but like my style of vlogging back then has changed so much. Like here you'll see mainly like, you know, short clips, and then I'll just put like music over it and I'd speed it up. Like the vlogs back then were pretty short. Like I didn't do any long form content. I just kept it short and spicy, because I mean when you're new to YouTube, you don't want to bore your subscribers, you don't want to bore your viewers, so you're gonna keep things as short as possible and as engaging as possible. So I did think I just, you know, added the highlight reels only. Like if nothing was going on, I wasn't going to vlog. So as you can see, we're there dancing and just enjoying ourselves, and what I thought was boring, I just put some music over and like speed it up. And I've come a far way, because while I still do that with the boring stuff, I do include more conversations in my content now, and basically I include a lot more that I probably, this was an entire day, guys. Like a lot went on, and you probably didn't see that because I didn't think it was necessary. But sometimes the things that we don't think is necessary in vlogs are what people actually want to see, and that's, you know, the down-to-earth conversations, the relatable moments in your lives. So I think I try to incorporate that now more than I did back then. So yeah, but so far it's, the total vlog is 5 minutes. We've gone like 3 minutes already, and we jump from the highway to the beach. We enjoy ourselves. And as I said, that was just my style of editing back then. So I've come a far way, guys. Listen, if I were to give you guys 5-minute vlogs in 2022, y'all would not have it. I would not have it. I'm not sitting down and watch a 5-minute vlog. Like I like the 15 minutes, the 20 minutes, the 30 minutes vlog. Like that's what I like. So yeah, let's see what else we were up to that day. Nice though. Girl, them skin clean though. Watch you on the beach. Still a eating it. I'm gonna give a little backstory of what going on right here. So guys, we went to the beach for Patrice's birthday. We got only like food and stuff. Did we get cake? I think we brought like a small cake. So when we went to the beach now, we saw some other people there. In the background you can see this guy. I think it was him or somebody else that came over to us and say, you know, hey, we're having a little get together, do you guys want cake? And I think they meant somebody say, yo, what kind of cake? And they say sugar and spice cake. And we're all like, yeah, we want cake. Like, when I pass up no free cake and look pan through it and get down on the cake. Like, guys, this was just so much fun. And they were just so kind, like, to come over and offer us, because I mean not a lot of people do that. And we're hungry belly people. Like, we walk with belly in our hands. So we're not gonna say no to the little cake. And even if we didn't want to say no, from one person say yes, the one we're gonna say yes. So we just sit there, eat cake, and I enjoy our little self. It's true day. Yeah, man. And we're playing dominoes as well, guys. Take 4. Hey, girly, Tika Sena. Girl was thick. I'm not that thick anymore, but girl was thick. You can see it in the booty, you can see it in the breast, you can see it in the belly. Like, I've come a far way because I've lost a lot of weight since here, and most of us in this video, like, this was like pandemic, post-pandemic, thereabouts, and we all like put on a little, you know, COVID weight, and I think we're all like skinny girls now, so we're not this thick anymore, guys, sadly. Video. Me not know a kiss. Oh, YouTube don't block your ass. Me not understand, this is inappropriate content. You see what she was doing there? Twerking. I didn't get any strikes on this video, but it wouldn't even matter. It would not even matter. Listen, Z at the Junebug challenge. Girls Trip 2021, and this was February, guys. Aww, this was so cute. Like, I love this so much, and this is where my love for content creation started, because when I was editing that video, guys, like, I had so much fun doing it, and you know, even watching it back now brought back so many memories. And I think this is one of the things that I'm most grateful for YouTube, because I can always go back and look at these videos. I can always document memories here, and I'm just so grateful for this platform, if I'm being honest. And looking back, like, that was 2021, early 2021, so it seemed like it was ages ago, but really and truly it wasn't. But as I said, looking back, you can see that I was just having fun with it, still am, and I wasn't taking myself too seriously. And I think this was like the first time that I ever like came out to my friends, and to, you know, I mean, not come out because you're not that serious, but this was the first time that I think I like vlogged around them, and they were just so receptive and so supportive. And I have friends like that. Like, my friends are super supportive. They're going to support me no matter what, and they know that the feeling is mutual. So they were like all for this YouTube thing. They were like, yeah girl, vlog this, vlog that, and they were just always ready to be on camera. Once in a while, you know, one and two of them probably shy, and I respect that, and that's totally fine. But for the most part, they were very receptive, they were very supportive, and I just love that for us, because most of the time you're going to see them on the channel, so it's like our channel basically. So yeah, guys, that was our lit road trip to Ocho 2021 girls trip. As you can see the little pic there, I'll try and put it up here, of all of us who went, and it was just a spectacular day. And for my first vlog, as I said, even though it was pretty short, I think I did well. I guess, I don't know. Rate me down in the comments what you think of my first ever vlog. Like, guys, I think I have like 50 something videos now on the channel, and that was like video number 4, number 3 or something. So A girl has been doing her thing, and you know, it's only up from here. So I can only hope to improve and provide better content for you guys, and I really appreciate your support. You know, you're always coming back, always liking, commenting, subscribing. Guys, we're at 525 subscribers right now, filming this video, and we're still in September, so we have like 3 months before the end of the year, and I'd really love it if you guys would help me get to 1K by the end of 2022. So let's say road to 1K is still up and running, guys. Comment road to 1K in the comment section. Share this video with a friend. Tell a friend to subscribe. Tell your mom, you know, hello, listen. You see your parents, them always sit down on the internet doing God knows what. Tell them to go on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Tell your siblings, tell your friends, just share it up like food. Tell them that Couture Shanz, it's where it's at. And I would just love it if you guys did that. So don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because listen, a lot of y'all are not subscribed to the channel. Like, you keep coming back, you keep watching the videos, you keep vibing with me. Just subscribe and done. I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to do so. I'm gonna wait and give you a sec to do so. Done? Okay, thank you. So yeah, guys, until my next video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I surely did. And yeah, like, just look out for more fun videos, and thanks for rocking with me always. I love you so much. Appreciate you all. And what am I doing next week? I might give you guys a vlog next week. Don't worry yourself. Vlogs are coming. Like, girl is going out and doing things. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.